Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Street X watch, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. So let's get started. So to turn on the airplane mode, we need to wake up the screen by pressing any of the buttons, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here on this panel you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will be the flight mode, the airplane mode. And to enable the mode, you simply tap on this icon, like this. It will switch to on, and the icon will get highlighted by color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And now the watch is disconnected from any outside connectivity option. So it will disable the Wi-Fi, internet. I believe it will also turn off NFC and Bluetooth. So basically it will block everything that it connects with. Once you're done and you want to disable the mode, you wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, like this. The mode will be off, the icon will go back to gray color, and now the watch should be working normally. So the Wi-Fi should be working. If there is Wi-Fi, I don't think there's Wi-Fi on this watch, never mind. But Bluetooth, connectivity and stuff like that, GPS, all of it should be working back again once you turn off the airplane mode. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.